Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, I am going to show you a complete project book recommendation systems using a machine learning. This is a fully machine learning final year projects that recommends the books on the basis of user ratings pattern, just like similar Amazons and Netflix. So in this video, what we are going to cover, we will cover system design, DFT diagrams, ER diagrams, system architects, cosine, similarity formulas, and how KNN models are working. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded lots of projects in different programming languages like PHP, AI, Pythons, and other programming languages. You can check from our the playlist, or you can just directly search here. Like if any project you are requesting, you can also request. You can check the descriptions of this video uh, for the connecting with us. So let's get started the video. The problem, like what exactly we are solving in this project, what problem we are solving in this project. Today online stores having thousands of books, but user don't know what to read next. So this is a problem. How can we recommend books that matches the user interest? Instead of recommending suggestions, means instead of just we are suggesting a random recommendation, we will use a collaborative filtering. That means if many user who likes a book A also like book B, then we recommend book B to the someone who likes book A on the basis of the ratings. If a user has given the ratings A, like to the books A 5, and user B also give the rating to the books B as a 5, and he currently he's reading book A, so we recommend book B to all the other users who is reading book A. So now let's look at the DFT diagram. So the complete detail of this project you can check from our website. You need to search the project book recommendation. If you just type book, it automatically recommend you the book suggestion. You need to select this project, and after that you can check all the details that are required to run this project. Now we will check the DFT diagram. DFT level 0 block recommendation systems का book recommendation system. In this we have a user and book recommendation systems and the database. The user search for a book, the system process that request, and the database provided the rating and the book information. And finally, the system written a recommended book simply and clean. Now in DFD level 1, we go deeper. We break these systems into the steps like user input, first user input, and then processing. This is the processing part, and then matrix creation. Here the matrix are created. Now after that, the KNN similarity engines. This is the KNN similarity engines, and after that, the book recommendation output is at the end. The similarity score first. First the KNN similarity engine match the similarity score, and after that it will recommend a book. These systems created a user book rating matrix, and they apply the KNN algorithm to find the similar books. And this is the ER diagram of this project, and at the last, this is the system architects of this project. You can check this. You can go through this with these board diagrams as per if you need it. So you can go through these board diagrams. If you if you need, if you know, if you want to know that how KNN are working in this project, so you can check these complete articles and these complete paragraphs, and why this project is new. So you can also check this paragraphs, what is the real world use cases for this project. So all these details are required when you go for the interviews, or when you represent your project to the examiner. So they will ask you what is the real use case for this project, or what is the new in this project. So you can explain all the details from here, and what will be the advanced features, or or the or the feature that you want to enhance in this project in the future. So you can add these lines to your reports, or you can explain these things while the examiner asks you questions. So you can just go through first go through from the website, and after that I'm just explaining the complete flow of this project. This is the source code of this project, and this is the data file. This is the data file rating, and this is the doc file. Like doc means the report, and this is the logs that we have the if while executing or while running this project, if the system crash or anything's that are due to that the errors are occurring. So that all the things are in this table or in this file. This is the src. This is the main folder where all the main files are available. This is the book recommendation files, and this is the engine file, and this is the virtual environment that we've created. This is the test folder. This is all the requirements files. How the project are going to look, so you can check. I have already running this project. You don't need to. I don't need to run again. And also, if you just download the project when I will share to you, you don't need to run all the things. You just need to run the requirements files, not all the things from the beginning. Now on the left side, we have a direct or locals or API. Currently, we don't have connect with the API, so we can connect with the API also. Like API means at the database, the JSON file. From that, this model are taking the data, and it recommend according to that. And the model are automatically trained when we give the new data to that model. This is the direct local number of recommendation. I have selected just three. Currently, I have just selected three, and I'm selecting a book like Atomic Habit. Total number of books 5, recommendation 3. If I select Atomic Theory, or Atomic Habits, get recommendation. So it recommend me 3 books. Average match 84, 48.2%. Best match and best book found are 3. This is the first book that matches with the 50%. The second book is 47%, and third book is 46.3%. If I select the another book with the API, let's see how it's going to show the data. I'm increasing the number of recommendation. I have selected 7 recommendation, and I just select rich dad and poor dad and get recommendation. Now this time this will recommend me 7 books that are related to that rich dad and poor dad, uh, that are related to this book. Here is the top 7 recommendation for this book. The first match, you can see that the Think and Grow Rich Atomic Habits. You already know that the person who has already read this book, they also going and they also know these books are related to this. Okay, and these are suggested on the basis of the ratings, not just randomly. These are basis of the uh, ratings that the user has provided to this book. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment if you want the source code, and subscribe for more ML projects. And if you want the complete project package with the report and PPT, check the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video.